Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will be solving a past paper question based on functions. So, three functions are given. F of x is equals to 2 to the power of x minus 3, g of x is equals to 2x minus 1, and h of x is equals to 5 over x minus 4. So, first part A here, it is to find f of 6. This is a combination of function. We also call it as composite function. So if we have a combination of function or if we have composite function, we always have to start from the rightmost corner. We always have to start from the rightmost corner. So let's start with what f of 6 is. So f of x, we know it is given in the question f of x is 2 to the power of x minus 3. So what we need here is f of 6. So wherever we have x on the right hand side, we have to replace it with 6. So 2 to the power of 6 minus 3. 2 to the power of 6 minus 3 is 2 to the power of 3, which gives us the value as 8. Now I got f of x, but my question was f of 6. Now f of 6, we got the answer as 8. F of 6, we got the answer as 8. So we can replace this f of 6 with the value for f of 6, which is basically 8. So I'm going to substitute f of 6 with 8. Now, my initial question f of 6 has changed to f of 8. I repeat what we have done till now. Here is we started from the right. So f of 6, we started by solving f of 6. F of x was given in the question 2 to the power of x minus 3. Now f of 6 means wherever we have x, we have to replace it with 6. So f of 6 is equals to 2 to the power of 6 minus 3, which is 2 to the power of 3, which is 8. So I got the value for f of 6 as 8. The question is f of 6. So f of 6, we replace it with 8. So my question changed to f of 8. Now we know what f of x is. F of x is 2 to the power of x minus 3. So f of 8 will be 2 to the power of 8 minus 3, which gives me 2 to the power of 5, which is equals to 32. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So this is how we solve part A, f of 6. Now let's move on to part B here. So for part B, g inverse of g of x plus 21. A function and its inverse will get automatically cancelled. When we see this question, if you are actually going to solve this, it will take a lot of time. And you can see here the question is for 1 mark. So that means there must be some simple way to solve this. So g inverse of g of x, a function g of x and its inverse g inverse always gets cancelled. So suppose if we have a question like g inverse of g of x plus 21, inverse and function gets cancelled. Your final answer will be x plus 21 itself. I'll give you another example. F inverse of f of 3. F inverse of f of 3. A function's inverse and its function f inverse and f gets cancelled, and you will end up with the final answer as 3. So just always make sure if we have an inverse and a function together, they both will get cancelled. So our final answer in this case will be x plus 21 because g inverse and g gets cancelled. Now we have the last part. Last part, find x when f of x is equals to h of 84. So f of x, we know f of x here, it is clearly mentioned there. F of x is 2 to the power of x minus 3. And h of x is 5 over x minus 4. But what we need here is h of 84. That means wherever we have x, we replace it with 84. So 5 divided by, instead of x, we replace it with 84. 84 minus 4 is 80. 5 divided by 80. So h of 84 is equals to 5 by 80, which can be further simplified as 1 over 16. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 16 is 80. So now I got my h of 84. h of 84 is 1 over 16. 2 to the power of x minus 3 is equal to 1 over 16. Now, if we have powers on the left hand side and right hand side, make sure that both of them are in the same base. So 2 to the power of x minus 3 can be written as 1 by 16 is basically 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of x minus 3 is equals to 1 by 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 from the denominator, when we take it to the numerator, the sign of the power will change. So this becomes 2 to the power of x minus 3 is equal to denominator. If I want to change it into numerator, we just have to change the sign of the power. Positive 4 will become negative 4. We have two powers on the left hand side and right hand side. If the bases are the same, we just have to equate the powers. X minus 3 is equals to minus 4. Therefore, minus 3 goes to the other side. X is equals to minus 4 plus 3, which is equal to minus 1. We'll be getting the answer as minus 1. So if you have any doubt, you can use the comment box. And if you want me to solve any particular question, you can share it in the comment box. So thank you for watching.